Sounds nice. Sounds awesome. This is the perfect exhaust setup that I wanted. I've always wanted it to sound exactly how it sounds now, which is nice. Okay, it's got a bit of a deeper tone, which is nice because I really was not a fan of the raspiness, and it was really too much. But now it sounds really, really nice. This setup is really a simple one. I didn't do a full exhaust system. I didn't go spend a lot of money. Most of it is still OEM, so which is nice. It sounds really, really nice as it is stock already on this car. But now that has been modified, it sounds even better and it's more louder because that's what I wanted as well. I wanted to hear it a little bit more. Um, like for example, let me do a little pull here. Hey, sounds nice. I like it. Honestly, it's better than how it was before. And at low RPM, 1500 RPM, that's how it sounds. That nice deep tone, that nice growl, that's what I wanted. And it sounds exactly how I wanted, which is nice. I don't want anything too loud. I can have a conversation in the car if I have a passenger. So I thought I'll just share my exhaust setup and how it sounds now. I like that. I like that. It sounds really nice. This car is coming along really, really well. My current setup, downpipes up front, mid pipes still OEM with those little canisters, and then the center resonator is what I deleted and replaced it with an aftermarket performance box. So that's why the car sounds the way it sounds now. That deep tone is back because when I did the downpipes, it was not sounding great at all, but now it sounds a little bit better, especially at low RPM. It sounds really nice, like that deep tone at the back, which is awesome. When I was there, I also decided to replace the exhaust tips and install nice ones. So the 90 millimeters, really nice. Love how they are. Love how they really clean up at the rear end of this car, which is really nice. I love how it is now at the back, and I love the sound that it has, which is awesome. Really, really needed to get it to this point because that raspiness was too much and I needed to do something about it. So this is it. This is the new exhaust setup. Other than what I've mentioned, that has been changed. Everything else is still stock, OEM. The mufflers are still there. Those canisters on the mid pipes are still there. Like, for example, cruising at 120, which is speed limit, it's actually quiet. You can't even hear that there's an exhaust or a high flow box on this car. But when you put your foot down, it wakes up, which is what I like. This is awesome. This is the best setup, I think, for me on this car. I love it. Even when idling, it's got that rumbling tone, sort of like a V8 tone, which is really, really awesome. I love that. I don't think I'll change it unless if I go full exhaust system. But for now, this will have to do. I really love how it is. It's great. I like it. It sounds nice. No drone. It just has that deep tone. I'm hoping it's going to stay this way. No leaks. Nothing is going to break, hopefully. Then that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as I upload a new video. And I'll catch you next time.